Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes, lecture number 4, lesson first, computer networking. Agenda of this lesson: topology, types of topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology and mesh topology. So let's start this video. Definitions: what is topology? A network topology describes the arrangement of system on a computer network. It defines how the computers or nodes within the network are arranged and connected to each other. Means topology is the arrangement of computer system means how the computers are connected arranged through the network. Means like ring या bus means how to arrange your computer through the network is called the topology. Commonly used network topologies, the most commonly used network topology are bus topology, ring topology, star topology and mesh topology. The bus topology. The bus topology is the simplest and most common. It is often used when a network installation is small, simple or temporary. It is passive topology. This means that computers on the bus only listen to the data being sent. They are not responsible for moving the data from one computer to the next. Means in the bus topology, one is the center wire where all systems are connected to each other. Such type of topology is called the bus topology. Next one, the ring topology. Means ring topology, in the data computer are connected in the form of ring. In the ring topology, each computer is connected directly to the next computer in line, forming a circle of cable. Means in this topology, computers are connected in the circular form and each data connected to means one computer connected to the next computer through the line wire. It uses taken to pass the information from one computer to the next. Means this computer information move this one this to this and like this. Each computer is connected to the next computer in the ring and retransmit data it received from the previous computer. The message flow around the ring is unidirectional. Means move here then moves data like this, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. The ring is classified as an active topology because there is no termination point in the ring. There are no termination point. Means if you fault here, then you can easy way to find out. Means this have a problem in this wire. So means this is directly unidirectional. Means data move from one direction only. Means suppose that here first computer second to third to fourth and fourth to first, like this, unidirectional. Star topology. In a star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to a central control, sometimes referred to as a hub, server or host. In a star topology, our computers are connected to the server or hub. Means here the server or hub, and this computer is connected through wire this one to the server. Each computer on a star network communicates with the central hub that it resends a message to the appropriate computer. Means all data sent from the hub for a particular computer. And server is the main where you send all data one by one in all computer. The hub can be active or passive in nature. Means generally hub is active 24 hour, and an active hub regenerate the electrical signals and send it to all the computers connected to it. An active server have send time to time information to all computer of which are connected to the server. Means this is called the star topology. Means here suppose that this one is the hub, this one is the hub, and all system here connected like this. So this is the form of star. So this topology, this arrangement of computer networking is called the star topology, because here all data are connected, means all computers are connected through hub in the form of star. This one is the main server. Main server send data particular computer, and active server have 24-hour sent data computer, and this computer perform work. If you fault any computer, if you suppose that this one is have some fault, it means all three remaining work properly, because this computer is connected directly to the server. If you have any problem, then three computer work proper way. So you can easily to find out the any error if you have any computer. Next, the mesh topology. In the mesh topology, every device has dedicated point-to-point line linked to every other devices. The fully connected mesh topology has n into n-1/2 physical channel to link n devices. It means in this topology, all computer connected to the server, but all computer connected to one another also. If you have any problem in server, then you can easy way to retrieve data from one computer to another computer. This is the main topology, is the good topology system, but this topology is very costly compared to the bus topology, because in a bus topology have a single main wire, and through this single main wire all computers are connected. If you fault on main wire, then all system cannot perform work. But in the mesh topology, if you have any problem, any systems, for example, suppose this system is not perform work, then two systems are connected to this system, but there are no any effect, because this system also connect to the server. Then this computer retrieve data from server, do not depend on particular computer. So this is the very good arrangement of mesh topology. If you face create any problem in a particular system, your computer not affected and perform work like previous. So this is the very good topology, but this topology is very costly compared to the old topology. Means topology is the arrangement of computer network, means how to arrange your computer network in different computers connected to different computers is called the topology. And there are four types of topology: star topology, mesh topology, bus topology, and ring topology. The most important topology is mesh topology, and the most cheapest topology is bus topology. So according to the requirement, different places have the different type of topology to connect computer to transfer data from one computer to another computer. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.